Hello for YouTube, TikTok and other platforms, back for another main house. What you doing, Chop? Chop's the dog and Zippy's the parrot. Hey, yeah, Zippy, I bet you didn't know it's going to snow tomorrow. What do you think about that? It's going to start snowing. Going to have to get your thermals out, get your thermal feathers out. What do you think about that? You're going to get your thermal feathers out. What's Chop doing? Does he not know what he's doing? What's he doing? Good. Says, Dad, stop embarrassing me. What are you chewing? I can't leave you for 5 minutes without chewing something. Yeah, that's Zippy's nut. I'll give you a treat in a minute. So it's going to snow for tomorrow, Zippy. So what do you think about that? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? Yeah, I'm talking to you. Apart from taking Dad to pieces once again. I was just telling you. Yeah, Mr. Zippy. Hello, Zippy. Are you going to say hello to YouTube? Huh? You're going to say, hello, YouTube? Huh? Where did you go? No, it's not alive. It's just a video. For later on. What do you think? Yeah. And what have we got to say on YouTube? Do you know? What have we got to say on YouTube? Apart from doggy interrupting. Right, so that's me, Zippy and Chop. Peace out.